Previously, we introduced you to a number of specialist terms: recording method, resolution, frame rate and bitrate. Now I would like to show you the functions associated with these terms using the P-Service software with your recording device. On the right side you can see our connected Dallmeier video over IP products. A right click on the video net box opens the menu. We click on netconfig. We are now asked to enter the password of our video net box. We enter the password and confirm with login. We are now in the main menu of our video netbox. We click on the button Recording, then Cameras, and finally Tracks. Here we see an overview of our connected cameras. In our case, we see a connected HD TV camera. We right-click on the button Long Play Track and choose the Dallmeier HD IP camera. You can now go to recording mode and choose between permanent, contact, motion or motion contact. For our example, we choose motion. On the right side we can configure the quality of our recording. The first point is resolution. Here we can choose between D1, HD 720, 2 megapixel and 1080p. The resolution varies depending on the camera. We choose 1080p. Next we configure the frame rate. We can choose between 6.25 frames per second and 12.5 frames per second. We choose 12.5 frames per second. The last point is the bitrate. This setting lets you choose a bitrate of up to 6 megabit per second. In our example, a bitrate of 4 megabit per second is sufficient. We confirm with OK and are taken back to the camera overview. In the camera overview, we can again change resolution, bitrate and frame rate if necessary. We are done with our settings and confirm with OK. We are now back in the main menu of our video netbox and can now close the whole application. As you can see, the P-Service software tool allows us to configure our recording device easily and conveniently via a network.